For black and white, your hairstyle is a slicked, curled high pony. I want to see good curls. I don't want to see messy curls. And if you have naturally curly hair, it needs to be tamed. And her hair is slicked. Miss Sherry wants you to take a small piece of hair. And this should go for all the dances that don't have a fake pony. Wrap a piece of hair. Oops, I got that stuck. Wrap a piece of hair around this hair tie so you can't see it. And then I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin and another one. So here's the hair for black and white. Slicked, high pony, wrapped around, should be for all of your dances. And I want to see that pony high enough, and I want it curled.